Different materials we use in Kampala making. We have Ankara. We use Ankara materials to make Kampala. We use flower materials, and we also use plain materials. In fact, we also use lace materials. In as much the material is cotton, we use it to make Kampala. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you step by step on how to make crack pattern. Let's start. Step in doing crack pattern is we have to put the clothes inside starch water. This is the clothes, so we put inside starch water. After bringing it out of starch water, then I will start folding it. This is how we do crack pattern. This is how we fold crack pattern in Kampala making. So this is where we are going to put it until we are ready to put dye on it. So these dials, this is orange color, this is green color, depending on the color of dials you want to use. Then this is our sulfite, then our soda, which we mix with our dye with hot water that we put on the clothes. So if you want to mix the dye, you will put soda inside the container you want to use. Then you put your dye, whichever color you want to use, whether green, blue, any color you want to use. You put it after putting the soda inside the container you want to use. Then you put your sulfite on the dye. Don't forget that it is soda that we first put inside this container. Then we put our dye. Then we put our sulfite. Then you add your hot water. how to put dye on it. It under the sun for like 45 minutes or an hour, then we take it from here to rinse. Next thing we do is we put it inside starch. The starch is going to be a little thick. After rinsing it, we put it inside starch. So from here we take it for drying. And the next thing we do is we spread it under the sun. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question for me, don't forget to put it down in the comment box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.